Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the alarm isn't vibrating on your Realme Watch S5. Start with your watch. Swipe down the quick settings menu and make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. Make sure that the silent mode is disabled and also the battery saving mode is disabled. After that, go to settings by tapping the gear icon and scroll down to sound and vibration. Make sure once again that your device is not on silent and scroll down to vibration and set the higher one so that you can actually feel it. Also, you can enable haptic feedback if you'd like to, but it's mainly for digital crown rotation. And on your smartphone, go to Realme Link application, go to your watch, check if notifications are turned on, and if they are turned on, also check the permissions that you've given to your app. Scroll down to apps in settings, or if you don't have apps in your settings, scroll down to storage and then open apps in there. Find your Realme Link application and make sure that you have given it access to microphone, to notifications, mobile data, to everything else that it asks you for to. And after that, just make sure that your smartphone is connected to the watch and the watch is properly connected to the smartphone. If everything looks good, just to make sure that it keeps working well, go to your watch menu, scroll down and update device, EPO and GPS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.